Hello, good evening, students. Today's transcription number back of 139 at the speed of 100 words per minute. Start. Mr. Deputy Speaker, Sir, my party and myself totally oppose the Dunkel proposals. It is very regretful that these proposals have caused infighting among the cabinet members. One of your ministers says that export of our country will increase with the acceptance of Dunkel proposals, and another minister says that such acceptance will destroy our country. So there is difference of opinion in the cabinet also. One minister is opposing while another minister is supporting the Dunkel proposals. When there is so much difference of opinion in the cabinet itself, what right they have to remain in government? One of the two ministers should go. The minister who is opposing his government's policy should resign. If the government is ready to accept the Dunkel proposals, the agriculture minister should resign, and if the government is not accepting the proposals, the commerce minister should resign, as he was praising the proposals. When the farmers resort to agitation for their demands, the entire government will have to resign. Mr. Deputy Speaker, Sir, our country is severely affected by drought at present. Orissa, Bihar, Maharashtra, and eastern part of Uttar Pradesh are affected by drought, but our central government decides everything in a haphazard manner. The Prime Minister surveys a state for once and gives rupees 10 crores, rupees 20 crores, or rupees 50 crores. Then he goes to another state. Such a haphazard manner cannot solve the problem. There should be a permanent solution. Even after 65 years of independence, the government has not been able to control drought. Maximum rainwater is wasted and there is no storage facility. Sir, Andhra Pradesh is also severely affected by drought, and the situation has become so worse that the farmers are forced to kill their own children. Neither there is fodder nor water for their cattle. Sir, it is just opposite in Karnataka. It is affected by floods which have caused a lot of damage. On the one hand, there is devastation due to heavy rains. On the other hand, there is suffering due to drought. I have read the draft of the agriculture policy. I do not think that the Honorable Minister of Agriculture has paid any attention towards this problem. I would like to submit that this agriculture policy is unfavorable to the farmers. No facilities are being provided to them, and agricultural inputs are being made costlier. Injustice is being done to them. 80% of the population of this country are cultivators, and the government should think about their welfare. If this is not done, then 80% population will resort to agitation, as I have said earlier also.